and happy Friday. Alright, today for fluency, we're going to go ahead and do jumping jacks with our counting by 10, but I'm not going to do the jumping jacks in the video because I would have probably knocked something over. I'm just going to put my hand up, and you guys are going to do the jumping jack motion with it. Alright, let's get started. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Excellent job. Now, I want you to go ahead and grab your paper and your pencil. I'm going to read the application problem twice, and then we're going to dissect it for the information. All right, here we go. Jane and Emmy are opening up a cupcake shop. On Monday, Jane sells 8 cupcakes. On Tuesday, Emmy sold 6 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did the girls sell altogether? I'm going to read that one more time. Jane and Emmy are opening up a cupcake shop. On Monday, Jane sells 8 cupcakes. On Tuesday, Emmy sold 6 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did the girls sell all together? Solve using a tape diagram. All right, you guys. So, we already know our tape diagram is going to be set up with 2 parts. Now, when we split the tape diagram into pieces, you'll notice when I split it, it's not going to be equal because one girl sold more cupcakes than the other. So therefore, our pieces are not equal. So one piece is going to be an 8 for Monday, and one piece is going to be a 5 for Tuesday. Now, when we go to label our pieces, you have 2 options really. It's just what works best in your brain. You could write a J for Jane and an E for Emmy. Or you could label it with the days of the week if you wanted to. You could write an M for Monday and a T for Tuesday. You don't have to write both because that would be confusing, but I'm just showing you that there are 2 different ways that you could label it. And then at the bottom, remember, you do your brackets, and we don't know, so it's just a question mark. Next, we have to ask ourselves, what is the problem asking us to do? It did give a key vocabulary word. It's saying all together. So you have to ask yourself, are we adding the cupcakes or are we taking them away? And if you answered that we're adding, you are correct. So our problem is going to be 8 plus 6 equals a mystery box. Now, to solve, I always like to see if I can get myself to an even 10 or the next 10. But in this case, we do have an 8, so we're going to use that number to get us up to 10. So ask yourself, 8 plus what number equals 10? And if you answered 2, you are correct. So then the 2, we have 4 more left from that 6 because we took away the 2. So then 10 plus 4 equals 14. And then all together, the final solution sentence, you're going to say, they sold 14 cupcakes. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. For my next video, go ahead and grab your counters. You're going to need 12 of something. I'm going to be using dimes because we've been counting by tens, but you can really use any objects or materials that you find around your house. Alright guys, bye!